The stone crusher, which arrived here a few weeks ago, is now in the process of being assembled. This work is being done by Cuban industrial workers, aided by a specialist assembler who arrived here from China. In a recent interview with consultant engineer Leonardo Perez, he explained to us the purpose of the crusher and its importance in the construction of the airport. So you said this is the conveyor that they're assembling here, and we know that you have like foundation posts all along from the wall right down. So these would be going on top of there?
Yes. They are the foundation for different crushers because we have different aggregates with different diameter of that, and some of this foundation is for obtain different
size of stones.
Different sizes of stones.
According to Perez, workers are also in the process of constructing a pool which will be utilized in the washing of aggregate.
I think that in 1 month we complete the installation of the plant. Of course, after you need to start the work, the correction, but I think that in 1 month and a half it's possible to start the production with the stone that we need. That this stone, you know, that is very hard, is a very good quality.
The first order of business following the stockpiling of crushed stones would be to lay the base for the runway. The process is expected to start in October. Blasting process continues in the area of Makani-Yami Hill Tuesdays to Fridays at 1 p.m. The blasting days were recently increased from 3 to 4 days to aid the speedy removal of rocks from the area. The arrival a few weeks ago of 5 new dump trucks has also increased the transportation fleet and helping to move that process along with the speedy removal of material excavated from the area. Summertime at Argyle Airport site is always a busy time, and this summer was no exception, as organizers of various summer programs include the Argyle Airport site on their calendar of activities. Among those whom we welcomed to the site this summer were Luke's Kids Club and Sesmaki's summer program. The first to be welcomed were those from Luke's Kids Club. They were greeted on arrival by production assistant CosAnn Weeks, who spoke to them about the airport.
In that area over there, that's the southern end of the runway. And 2 big mountains used to be over there. Now you can see there's a big space where the trucks are driving back and forth. Right there is where the planes will be coming in when the airport is finished. Alright? Now those pieces of rocks on that side, those have to come down a little bit more. So that when the planes come in, nothing would be in the way to block them. Alright? And they would come in from here, go right down to the terminal building over there, and then they would take off in that direction, the northern end.
Following their tour to the site, those who visited from Sesmaki's Kids Summer Program were given a chance to comment on what they had seen.
So far, I like the idea that we have our own international airport and we don't have to go far to travel by someone else's airport, because it's real difficult that when we travel out there that sometimes our luggage got misplaced and then it had go through so much harassment. So it's a beautiful idea that we know we have our own international airport in a sense. That's what I like to say. And in a sense, we thank Ralph for that, because for the rest, maybe Minister, they might see this as a dumb idea, but we know it's a fantastic idea to have our own international airport, as I like to say on the IMAX and like that.
For me, I'm thankful for what I'm seeing here and praise the ministers and God especially to giving them the idea to put down this structure. My main part is to deal with the tourism, especially with the produce and so on. I can't wait for that to happen, because we've come from a family that comes from farming and exposed to the exporting business. I can't wait for that, because that alone will help to build the tourism.
Well, I love the idea. I love the buildings. I love to see the people working hard in the hot sun. And I think, especially my dad, and I think that is a beautiful idea. And I love my country, and I love my Prime Minister, Gonzalo.
Everyone speak about the Argyle International Airport. Some say good, some say bad, but my opinion, I like what I'm seeing, and those who say bad, please come on the site and you will see what is happening, and Big up to the Prime Minister. Tourism will increase. So it's a good idea for the international airport.
For more information about the Argyle International Airport, please log on to www.svgiadc.com or find us on Facebook at Friends of the Argyle International Airport or on YouTube at IADC SVG or call 458-0333 and come see us for a guided tour.